everyone, and welcome to the MSC Gizcast with Rob Kfish.
Hello everybody to another video edition of the MSC Gizcast. In this episode we're going to take a look at a little program called Ubuntu Tweak. Now Ubuntu Tweak does just what the name says. You can use it to tweak little settings of your Ubuntu desktop. So let's have a quick look at Ubuntu Tweak. Okay, so of course the first thing we're going to want to do is download Ubuntu Tweak. So let's open up our Firefox web browser here. Now I've got it already just bookmarked here to make this a little faster. Now I've got my resolution really low here, so that's why everything's kind of big. So first thing we want to do, this is just a home page of Ubuntu Tweak, and I'll put a link right on the show notes at mscgizcast.com, or you can visit also msccompcast.com, and I'll have some links into this episode of the website. But just go to ubuntutweak.com, and then once you're in there, just click on our downloads, and then just over here you've got the source code, and also they've got a deb file there. So you'll want to download the deb file. That way it's just a quick install. Now I've already installed it, so let's get on to that here. So okay, so now once you got Ubuntu Tweak installed, you're going to find it under Applications, System Tools, and there you go, Ubuntu Tweak. Now once it opens up, you'll get your little welcome screen, and just kind of tells you a little bit about it. No, I don't want to update right now. The computer, it'll show you a few things here. What I call my computer, I'm running Ubuntu 8.04, GNOME. I have 2 gigs of RAM, just to show us a little bit about your computer. Next is Startup. There's a few little things in here you can change. Won't get too much in this. And now this one here, it shows all the things that automatically start when you start up your Ubuntu desktop, or just when you log right into Ubuntu and you do your restart. And then you can also add different things that you want to have start up when you're first turn on your computer. Next is our desktop. Once you click on desktop here, it shows few different icons you can actually it'll put on your desktop. It shows say show computer, and it'll put a little computer icon on there. Take that off, and then your home folder you can have sitting on your desktop, and also a trash you can have sitting on your desktop. Now I don't do much of this because you just go to places and there's your home folder. Your trash is always sitting down here, and then of course you can compare all the things right there. It depends if you like I was saying, I don't like a lot of stuff on my desktop, so that's why I don't do that. Next thing here, a few different things we can do. You can actually change what they call opacity there. Basically what it shows, if you look, just watch up here, when I move the slider down, you can actually just kind of see through it a little bit more. And you'd notice that more in different colors or different backgrounds that I have, because I have this color background here. So you can kind of change that, and there's a few different things you can change down here a little bit. And then next, under personal, you can change just what your different, if you want to change a different automatic download folder, different music folder and stuff like that. And then there's different templates that you can change a little bit. Let's close that up a little bit. And then you have a system here, and a few different things you can change in there. Just kind of a quick little overview here. And then next is the security, and then there's a couple of things you can change in there. Now it's up to you. If I don't use this on my main computer. I just downloaded it to try it. I had a few people asking what I thought about Ubuntu Tweak and if I had tried it, and I hadn't really tried it before, so I thought maybe we'd do a quick download of it. And I went down and do a few things here. That's kind of cool at this desktop. You can put your icon right on there if you want that icon up there. Then you got that up there. But I don't know. It's not something that I'd probably ever use. I use them on my main computer, but it's something you can try. And there's one more thing on here, is shortcuts. I already did this one already here, so if you want to set shortcuts to any key you want, it makes it a little bit easier here, but it's getting still a little bit more into the techie side a bit there. Like I just did this one as an example, so F1. So if I let's say we go over here, if I go F1, and then my Firefox starts up right away. So. But it's not something, it's Firefox is sitting right there, so I don't use a lot of keyboard shortcuts. But if you do, you might find this really handy to use. But you got to know your command and stuff like that. So, but anyway, that's just a really quick overview of Ubuntu Tweak. your best bet, if you really want to try it, maybe you can, download it. Like I said, I'll put the link in the show notes there. And there's a few little things that, that you might want to try there. But in general, I think it's really cool that people are making these programs up. But I don't think it's something that I would probably use that much. So it's a quick little overview of Ubuntu Tweak. Well, that's it for another episode of the MSC Gizcast. Thank you again for downloading this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a quick little overview of a program called Ubuntu Tweak. I'd received some emails, like I was saying, on it, and so I thought I'd do a really quick overview and see if maybe that's something you'd like to try. So anyway, once again, thank you very much for downloading this episode, and I will catch you guys next week. Take care, everybody.